back. So we did have highs near 50 for today, partly to mostly cloudy skies across the region. Temperatures staying pretty cool because of a north-northwesterly wind that was pretty windy throughout the day today, but it is starting to die down. Currently, we have that wind speed around 15 miles per hour and temperature at 45 degrees in Scottsbluff, also at Bridgeport and at Torrington. We are closer to 40 as we make our way up toward the Hemingford area and at Gord, and also a 40 at Kimball, and 37 out toward Harrison. Cooler air the further north and west you go. There's your wind, still mainly from a northerly direction, a little bit of a westerly component in there. Wind speeds right now 10 to 20 miles per hour. Here's where some of the strongest wind gusts are, especially off to the south and west of Scottsbluff. Do have some wind gust values around 20 to 30 miles per hour, but the wind is on a downward trend, and we're starting to clear out there. Also seeing some clear skies between Kimball and just approaching the Cheyenne area. Also, some peaks of clear skies off to the east of Alliance, but most of the valley locations and points off to the north into Sioux County. Getting mainly cloudy skies across the region now. We do have one system across the country, this major system that we're on the back end of. A lot of rain, even some severe weather on the front side, the warm side of it, giving a lot of rain into the Midwest. That's working off to the east. High pressure continues to work its way in, but it's still off to our west, giving us that direct flow from the Arctic, that very strong northerly wind. And we're basically on the back side of this low pressure system, so we're still getting the cloud cover from that. But that high pressure system is eventually going to crest over us and move off to the east. Then we will start to warm up. So we're going to keep a good amount of cloud cover and that northerly wind for the next few hours, clearing out even further as we go through the overnight, as temperatures quickly fall into the low to mid 30s this evening and start off into the upper 20s as we go through the day tomorrow, which will be mostly sunny. Temperatures still into the low to mid 50s, still pretty cool. We're going to keep a northerly wind through most of the day. Then it will eventually flip around to more of a southerly direction. That's where we start off Sunday. Lows near 30, and then as we go through Sunday afternoon, more sunshine, but more of a southerly wind will warm us up pretty nicely as we stay dry, with highs getting into the lower 60s across the region. So we got this low exiting, still on the backside with the clouds, but they will start to work their way away from us tonight. High pressure is going to crest over us and then move off to the east, giving us that southerly flow that will eventually warm us up. This is our weather as we stay dry through the start of the next work week. So here's what it looks like out there. As of right now, we have this high pressure system. We're waiting to crest over us. The cooler eventually this weekend will move into the Midwest and then into the Northeast. We're dealing with the rain from the system, also some rain stretching down into Florida, but we will have seasonably nice conditions. That's what we're going to say. As we finish out the weekend and start next week, this will be over us and will give us more sunshine, those highs rising back to the 60s to maybe some days closer to 70 as we stay dry. So mostly sunny tomorrow, high of 54 and 63 for Sunday and up to 69 on Monday, sunny to mostly sunny skies. Partly cloudy Tuesday all the way up to 78 and then down to 57, windy northerly winds and a slight chance of some showers will cool us off for Wednesday. We stay near 60 on Thursday with partly cloudy skies and back to sunshine for next Friday. Really not bad. Highs near 70. Travis?